How to turn on or off synced Facebook friends. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off synced Facebook friends. First thing, go to your TikTok app and now click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is click on the second option, which is privacy. And here you have the third option, which is sync contact and Facebook friends. Now you have on Facebook friends synced Facebook. You can turn on or off this option wherever you want. Now this option helps you to easily connect with people you may know and better personalize your experience. And you can choose to sync your Facebook friends periodically. So this is it, guys. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.